I already got everything cleaned up, right? Yeah, we do. You ready to slide it on? Put a little lube so it makes it easier for the bearing to slide on. Put a little bit of hub oil in there. Your new bearing. Not new bearing, but the bearing already. The outer bearing. A torque nut. So you can't really mess this up. It only goes to one setting. It takes away the old style, which will have like a nut, washer, nut. The inside nut will get torqued to like 110, 120. You put your washer, then you torque the outside to like 180. Check your free play. Should be able to just do it with that feel after you've done it so many times. Have a torque wrench. You know, then you're gonna have these keyboard warriors. You didn't torque it. You didn't use a torque wrench. Did you put your dial indicator? Look, bro, as many as I've done in my life. Past it, right there. So you kind of see it's pushing the wheel still on. Give it a spin, it's still spins. It'll get tight if you over torque it, so it's like you can't really mess it up. You're like, okay.